back
Wait, I
to...
lost you!
It's Victor Robloxing back here today, and today we are doing weird things on Roblox. And it's on Meep City, so we dressed up in this, like, really weird avatar, and this, we didn't get it on camera, but this guy was just like, he's like, I like hugs. Like, I'll show you one second. I said, hug, and it was like, he's like, me, or something like that.
Oh, this girl's dancing. Let's have a dance.
Hey, guys,
let's do this thing.
And I'll show you everyone after. So this is me, I'm the penguin. Kaysen's the weird one on a skateboard in the weird bra thing. And I'm the weird dancing penguin, and Alex is the one with the tail.
Hey, guys. Wait, I'm gonna start breakdancing. Do you think?
Penguin, and this is what I look like. Like, and my name is Want Hugs.
My name is I Hate. And my name is that.
Yeah, that's her name. Hugs! Oh, look at his face.
I hate people. You know, I need to put some sunglasses on.
Hugs. What's Hugs from the dancing penguin with a creepy, Friday the 13th mask?
Okay, I'm gonna change this next game.
You said thanks, bro. Sorry.
I said thanks, bro.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just yelling yo-yo. What else do they have? That's gonna be...
Hello. No, don't leave me. I want hugs.
Oh, wait. I think I have an idea.
I don't. Okay, where's Kaysen? What are you doing, Kaysen? Where are you?
YOLO!
Sisters? I want to be a sister. Wait, I'm gonna say.
One of you guys.
Can I be yours?
One of you guys might.
Wait.
Skin is stupid and ridiculous.
Can I be your sis? Like, can I be your sis?
Do you guys like my two?
She said, she's like, sigh.
Do you like my two ponytails coming
Can
down?
I be your sis?
Do you guys like my ponytail? That's all just laughs. I said, can I be your sis? And she laughs.
I want you to be your.
Oh, she just walked away. Oh, she's crying.
I want to be your sis.
Do I look stupid? Same. Oh, wait, I don't see. I don't look stupid enough. Same. Why is she crying?
I think she's confused.
How much? You're just dancing. How stupid can we be?
She said, okay.
How stupid can we be?
Yay!
Oh. I'm looking for the most stupid outfit ever.
Yeah. What's your fave?
How do you change your skin
What's your
color?
fave?
Brooklyn, how do you change your skin color?
What's your
Oh, she
fave?
walked away.
What's your favorite? Hey,
She
what's your fave dog?
She left.
What's your fave dog, dude? Dude, what's your favorite dog? No, she didn't. She's over there.
How do you change
Next
your
to Kaysen.
skin color?
What's your favorite dog? Dude, I want to know your favorite dog.
Okay.
Kaysen, what did you do to yourself? Kaysen literally looks like a girl.
Look at, I answered.
A wiener dog. Wait, I'm gonna yell, me too! Wait. Me too! Yes, a wiener dog, me too.
How do you change your skin?
Wait,
Brooklyn, how do you change your skin
but
color?
I prefer hot
How do you change your skin
hot
color?
dog.
I prefer hot.
Wait, I'm gonna say what kind of dogs do they use? What kind of dogs do they use to make hot dogs? And then you're gonna say they don't use hot dogs to make hot dogs. And then I'm gonna say, oh, that's why mine tasted kind of weird. What kind of dog do they use? I didn't say it yet though, so don't use
Dogs
to make. Don't say it yet. Make.
to make hot.
What kind of dogs do they use to make hot dogs?
They don't use dogs to make hot dogs.
Okay, no.
Oh,
What mine tasted kind of weird.
what is that supposed to mean?
Like, cause I asked what dogs they make, and then I say, oh, that's what mine tastes kind of weird, cause I used real dogs. He said it.
How do you change your skin color? Brooklyn, how do you change your skin color? Did you use a real dog?
I'm gonna go ask someone what's their name. What's your name?
My name is I'm wearing the most ridiculous outfit in the world. Hey.
What's your name?
Jim. Anybody want to see the back of my outfit?
Vanessa, what's wrong? What's wrong? Your face is sad.
Grab my iPad, Dad.
Vanessa, what's wrong? Your face is sad.
Guys, my iPad died. Again. You made
I'm just
sad. You made her sad.
depressing.
How does her face look sad?
I'm just depressing.
Now I'm happy. I think that's what she said. And when you're sad, I'm sad. Oh my god. Shut up.
I can't get up.
Shut up, idiot.
Wait, I'm gonna say you're probably glued.
No, you should say you're pregnant.
Glued.
She is. Look, she has big stomach right there.
You're probably glued. So mean.
I get it.
You're probably glued. That person's face. I get it.
Wait, no, Brooklyn, say, are you pregnant? Say that.
Anyone need a girl?
Wait, no, say, are you pregnant? Say so.
Anyone need a girl?
No, say, are you pregnant? Say yes, say yes.
Girls? I like girls.
Wait, no, say, Brooklyn, no, say, are you pregnant? Brooklyn.
Girl! Meanie girl! I want girl!
Wait, no,
Brooklyn,
Brooklyn,
okay, guys.
say, are you
Okay,
pregnant? This is not us. I have an idea.
No, don't do that.
I just want to do it because they'll probably think I'm crazy.
No, this is funny.
Oh.
Wait, no, let's make our second ones now. Let's make another funny one.
How would I go? I'm just gonna use that paint girl. Brooklyn,
Okay, guys, now we're gonna make another really funny one.
Brooklyn, I have an idea.
So I gotta change myself.
I'm all done. Wait, no, Brooklyn, I'm gonna go up and ask if I can be I'm gonna go up to just a random girl and ask if they can be my girlfriend.
You're weird.
I'm just kidding. I'll get a really stupid reaction. Okay, this is my outfit. No shirt. Dad, my outfit's dead. This is boring. What the heck, robot? I'm actually gonna wear my normal outfit though because it's Brooklyn, how do you change your skin color to the tan? How do you make your skin color tan, Brooklyn? Brooklyn, how do you make your skin color tan? How do you make your skin color tan, Brooklyn?
I don't know what to do. This is my avatar.
How do you make your skin color tan?
I like it. I'm sorry.
How do you like this? How do you make your skin
Okay, we should actually make ourselves look like ourselves now.
Brooklyn, how do you make your skin color tan?
Okay, this is what I look like.
I need to find an outfit that I actually like though. How do you make your skin color? Oh, sorry. How do you make your skin color tan? You go out and change it. How does it game?
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see another video like this one, then leave a like down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.